Hi guys, and welcome back to the long overdue March supply drop for 2018. So this month's a little bit different in as much as we've got two boxes because I couldn't get everything all from my normal online hobby shop. And this is a bit random in the context of what I've been building, what I'm working on now, and what I have planned to do next. I'm not sure that I'll even start it this year, and I'm going to blame Steve Mottram for putting the idea in my head, because he mentioned some time ago about doing an African-themed build, and a couple of nights after that I watched one of my favourite modern war movies and thought, that's what I'm going to build.
Deja vu.
What did you just say?
Nothing, just had a little deja vu.
So I have two boxes of the Trumpeter 1/35th scale African Freedom Fighters, and that is kit number 00438. Looks to be a good kit. We'll have a quick look at the plastic a little bit later on, but there's a number of figures here. I think, the cover says 6, so it gives me a dozen to play around with to do a little bit of customizing and resculpting to get a reasonable crowd. I might even cast a few from the stuff that I put together from the two kits. I want a good size of African fighters. So into the second box now, and back to the normal online shop of B&A Model World. And not related to the die I'm mainly talking about, but Willie's Jeep. That'll be explained a little bit later on. Got some modern US troops, Iraqi kit number 1. Again, nothing, actually something to do with the main diorama, but I've already got other plans for these guys. Just some new blades for the X-Acto. Some Hornet heads. And these are 5 African heads. And then the big box, which will be the central part of the planned dio, and you might be able to guess what I'm going to do at this point. The old Blackhawk, and we'll have a much closer look at that, and we'll look at some of the sprues from inside the box as well. So 1/35th scale, a helicopter. Looking forward to getting stuck into that. So here we have Academy's 1/35th scale AH-60L DAP, which is a direct action penetrator, and this looks like it's going to be really good. There's some interesting stuff and some good pictures on the sides of the boxes. Have a quick squiz at those, and then get on with having a look at the plastic. So I'll probably use the kneeling guy and the two guys in the front, and probably combine the pieces for the two guys in the front in this helicopter dio, and the rest might be used a few modifications to do with the Golf World build figures for the A-slab, so I might grab a few pieces from here for there. So let's open the box and have a look at what's inside here. This won't be a full-on kit review, just a quick flick through the sprues and a few close-ups later on. So 2 sets of decals. I have to have a close look at those to see if they're the same. Some random crap that I don't want. And the instruction manual. And for the first time ever, I'd have to say I'm not overly impressed with the quality of the Hornet heads. They look just a little bit plastic, and I know that sounds stupid because they are, but just lacking in a little bit of sharp detail, I think. So the Tamiya Willys Jeep, an absolute classic. I won't crack it open. I think everyone knows what it looks like. And this will be in my 2018 Christmas special. So I'm preparing early this time, so it won't be such a rush job. And the Jeep will be the central feature of the vignette. So that's it, guys. Another supply drop done. And I again apologise for it being so late. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Always look forward to reading your comments. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And I promise you that the next one may be surprisingly quicker to market than my normal track record. So take care, everyone, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.